New CSGO update. Here's the sounds. The phone's ringing. No, it's not. This gun, dude. That's funny. This gun makes it ring. Okay. And then this one too. MOLOTOV sound. So the sound when you light it is loud. I guess that's new. The sound when it's on fire is less audible. That's it.
Throwing fire.
Alright. Now if you just wanted to see the sound bits, that's that. Stop watching. But I want to show other people something that doesn't make any sense. So if I was to get a goddamn if I was to buy a silence, right?
We're wasting time. Let's go.
So they say the AK doesn't have perfect first shot accuracy at long ranges, basically from T-spawn, because you shouldn't be able to pick an opper with an AK, which I think A is stupid, because if the opper's going to be picked by AKs, he's a terrible opper. That's just how it is. If you can't hit a guy with an AK halfway across
What's
the
your
map
status?
with a scope and a gun that does one-shot kill, you're an idiot. Especially if the guy's fucking one-shot long range. Like, come on. Anyway, why I think this is stupid is not because, well, it's because this right here. So I spent $3,100 on this gun, M4, and no matter what range I'm at, bam.
Reporting. We're clear.
Okay, I won't do it to that guy because I want to prove the point here. But this gun, out to about here, will always one-shot them. Right?
Three guys
And it
left.
costs $300. This gun costs $3,100 and will never one-shot no matter how close you are.
That was our last enemy.
So, what the fuck? Make my AK one-shot, you know, like, accurate, so I can one-shot operators. Or, fix this. Because that's stupid. Sorry to do this. 5.7 and the Tech 9 both do the same. This M4 doesn't. No matter how close you are to them, you have to shoot them twice. So, Valve, what the fuck? Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.